Pay close attention to this message as I reveal how to shape your own destiny by overcoming seemingly unattainable goals. Your mind will expand and you will achieve surprising results. Everything is created twice, first in the mind, then in reality. You possess a powerful tool. Release your imagination today and begin crafting your own reality. What your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve in the physical world. It is essential to have total mental clarity. Understand that there is an authentic creative power that flows into your consciousness, which is not predetermined. Only you can shape it. You have the divine ability to precisely visualize what you desire, regardless of whether you have the necessary resources, money, or the help of others. Imagine you are sending a message to a friend. You wouldn't choose random words from a dictionary. Instead, you would craft a coherent sentence with terms that express exactly what you want to convey. Similarly, if you seek prosperity, you must be specific. Visualize every detail with precision and fill your mind with the image of what you desire. Without a clear vision, you cannot activate the creative power. Reject any negative influences that contradict your vision. Remember, in your conscious mind, you have the power to accept or reject what is offered to you. Reject anything that is not in harmony with your desires. You have the power to achieve whatever you wish. This is a wonderful characteristic of creative human beings. Take time to contemplate the image of your deepest desires. Keep your consciousness centered on that mental image and adopt a mindset of ownership over every detail of it. Visualize boldly and create in your mind the images of what you truly desire, whether it's a bright future beyond your current situation or visions you dare to conceive. Remember this essential principle. Gratitude is the manifestation of faith in action. Take control of this in your mind and be thankful for everything that is already present in your life and for what is yet to come, as if it were already your reality. Start the gratitude process with simple affirmations. Express your happiness and gratitude for the constant flow of money, coming in increasing amounts from various sources. Feel a deep sense of gratitude now as your business prospers abundantly in every aspect, every day. Experience immense gratitude for the abundance that flows in all areas of your life. Be thankful for the opportunity to live in this wonderful world and cherish every chance to do good and help others. Each day, find more reasons to feel grateful for the harmony in your relationships and for the love you receive and share. Anticipate the arrival of a new day with gratitude and give thanks for every positive experience. Acknowledge with gratitude that your past dreams have shaped the reality you live in today. Be thankful for the money you have and the money you continue to receive, as well as for all your material possessions. Express gratitude for the opportunities life offers, and be thankful for all the good things you already have and for the goals you achieve. Be grateful for every positive event and for the opportunities that arise in your life. Appreciate the good things you encounter along the way and be thankful for everything that is still to come. Maintain a constant attitude of gratitude, never doubting for a moment the reality of this process. Now, understand that there is no need to rush. Things will not manifest exactly when you want, but be assured that they will happen. Energy is always taking form in the universe and is materializing in your life, bringing into existence the image you have been visualizing. Your consciousness is filling with this image, but it's important to understand that there is an incubation period before it materializes in your life. Understand that everything happens in God's timing, not in your own. It is crucial that you revisit this video regularly. Only through the power of repetition will you be able to embed this idea in your mind to achieve extraordinary results. Repeat these affirmations daily and watch as your life begins to reflect these declarations. Comment below the video affirming that you are ready to become a prosperous person and share 3 of these expressions of gratitude. You feel extremely happy and grateful now that your business is thriving in every area, every day. You experience deep gratitude for all the abundance that flows into your life. You express gratitude for the opportunity to live in this wonderful world. Show appreciation for every chance to do good and help others. Each day, find more reasons to be thankful, whether for the harmony in all your relationships or for the love you give and receive. Be thankful for the arrival of a new day and for the role your past dreams have played in shaping your current reality. Be grateful for the money you have, the money you receive, and the material possessions you own. Give thanks for the positive experiences and the opportunities life offers you. Show gratitude for all the good things you already have and for the achievement of your goals. Be thankful for every positive event and the opportunities that arise in your life. Appreciate the good things you encounter along the way and be grateful for everything that is yet to come. Maintain a constant attitude of gratitude, never doubting the reality of this process. Remember that every step you take toward achieving your dreams generates positive momentum. Each small effort and expression of gratitude helps shape the reality you desire. Move forward with confidence and determination. Never forget that each day offers a new opportunity to give thanks and receive. Celebrate the constant flow of abundance that permeates your business and life. Be grateful for living in this wonderful world where each day brings new opportunities to do good and support others. The more you express gratitude, the more reasons you will find to be thankful. Be thankful for the harmonious relationships that enrich your life and for the love that surrounds you. Anticipate each new day with gratitude, knowing it brings new opportunities and blessings. Acknowledge with gratitude the dreams that have guided you to the present. Show gratitude for the money you have, the money you continue to receive, and the material possessions you own. Be thankful for every positive experience that has contributed to your growth. Remember, every word of gratitude is a step toward achieving your goals. Keep your faith strong with each step, without questioning the reality of your dreams. Every effort, no matter how small, creates positive momentum toward your success. Did you know there are 4 questions that can open your subconscious to wealth, allowing you to start manifesting abundance and prosperity in your life? This video should not just be watched, fully absorbed with your complete attention. What I'm sharing here is a true lesson, and it is essential that you pay attention, as this lesson has the potential to transform your life. Let's begin with the first question. If someone woke you up at 4 a.m. and asked, "How do you make money?" what would your answer be? This is the first question. How do you make money? Let me guess. If you're like most people, if you're among the 98% of our population, your answer would be by working. Was that your answer? You believe money is earned through work? Then don't worry, you are within the average. Now I'll ask the next question. Pay close attention because this question will have an immediate impact on your life. If working is the way to earn money, consider this. If you were suddenly unable to work starting tomorrow, how long could you survive with the money you currently have? The second question I ask you is, if you couldn't work starting tomorrow, how much money would still be deposited into your account at the end of the month? It's crucial to reflect deeply on these 2 questions. This brings us to the next question. From whom did you learn how to make money? Who taught you the principles of earning? The Bible says, "My people perish for lack of knowledge." And I dare to say that in today's information age, ignorance is a choice. Whenever you think about money, whenever you consider your financial life, you should think of it as a result. All the money you have in your life is the result of something. When you were a child, from birth until around age 6, your mind was completely open, blank slate. Child is born not even knowing what water is. Through the 5 senses, child observes and absorbs information from their surroundings. So every day, child sees the father give a kiss and say, "Daddy's going to work, Daddy needs to work to earn money." Automatically, the child concludes that money is earned by working. Why? Because they saw their father go to work every day. Have you ever questioned why we have to work? Who invented work? Have you ever realized that working for someone else is not a natural state for human beings? Have you ever pondered this? Until the age of 6, a child's mind is entirely open, and whatever reaches the mind is accepted. Anything that is accepted becomes fixed, and what becomes fixed turns into a truth, which then becomes a pattern. After the age of 6 or 7, on what foundation will you base your decisions? Now, pay close attention. This is very important. We have the ability to think, and we always think according to what we believe. We try to find answers and navigate the world based on our beliefs. So your current financial situation is a direct result of what you believe. Because whether intentionally or unintentionally, your parents, your mother, your uncles, and your teachers taught you that money is earned by working, and you accepted that. You might sit at home thinking, I need money, so I need to work. Thus, you learned that you must work for someone else, find a job, and your actions align with this belief, producing your financial results. Your financial outcome is a reflection of everything stored in your subconscious. If you do not change what is in your subconscious, you will never be able to change your results. Therefore, the main focus should be on transforming your beliefs, as without changing what you believe, your results will remain the same. Now I'll share a simple technique to help you achieve your goals. The strategy is as follows. Create a vision board with images representing your grand goals. Include pictures of the car of your dreams, your ideal home, the trip you've always wanted, and the most ambitious wealth you can imagine. Choose images and assemble them on a quality banner or poster. The next step is to dedicate 5 to 7 minutes each day, before bed, to visualizing these goals. Close your eyes and imagine that you have already achieved what you desire. Picture yourself driving the car of your dreams, living in your ideal home, traveling to your dream destinations, and enjoying the wealth you aspire to. You might wonder why you should do this. There are several reasons, including quantum physics, positive psychology, and relevant scientific discoveries. Recently, in late 2015, neuroscientists discovered that a neurohormone called endorphin is crucial for persistence, willpower, and determination. When you visualize your goals, your body releases endorphin and dopamine. The combination of these neurotransmitters drives you to continue pursuing your objectives, altering behaviors, and making new choices. In summary, visualizing your financial goals as if they have already been achieved is an effective way to change your beliefs and attitudes. The human brain does not differentiate between the real and the imagined. When you close your eyes and imagine driving the car of your dreams, living in your ideal home, traveling to the destinations you desire, having the wealth you wish for, the brain accepts it as truth. This triggers the release of hormones and neurotransmitters that provide pleasure, body. The combination of endorphin and dopamine helps you align with the frequency needed to achieve the desired success. Set your goals, visualize them with emotion, and do this every night as if you have already achieved them. Let your body adjust behaviors and attitudes, helping you persist in pursuing your goals. It's a powerful and transformative process, though not easy. I hope you found this video valuable and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. See you next time.